Hello everyone, today I'm with Franck Morales. Hello Franck.
Hello Julie.
Franck is VP for Evolution Platform and today will tell us what are the main impacts on companies moving towards digital-first business.
Yes, thank you Julie. So first of all, the shift toward digital-first business is profoundly reinventing how companies operate and deliver value. And all companies are going in that direction, even though they are at different level of maturity. Let's illustrate that with a mature customer example. This customer has decided to move away from its current B2B industrial monoproduct activity over the next 15 years and conquer a totally new market by developing a large portfolio of digital-enabled services directly addressing the consumer market, fully changing processes, customer experience, products definition, and last but not least, their business model.
That's a huge journey they are on. And can you give us some key success factors?
Yes, of course. To realize that, they have been creating for 5 years now their secure digital infrastructure as the supply chain of their digital-first business by setting up a lot of platforms. Their cloud platform, getting rid of their data centers, their SD-WAN platform with a recent evolution to a SASE platform, and their cloud networking platform, and of course, few others. All this requires aligning business goals with the digital strategy, managing interdependencies between network and cloud solution, and staying, of course, on top of the cybersecurity, which is a lot to think about. Time and resource intensive and all, whilst working with a lot of vendors to piece it all together.
This looks like a lot. So how can we concretely make it happen?
I would say that with such a complexity, buying individual product is not the solution. It's somehow worth investing in the right collaborative partner to achieve their goals. A partner who can deliver fit-for-purpose, scalable technology solution based on an objective review of business requirements.
Thank you, Franck, and thank you for watching. See you soon on a new Tech Trends topic.
Thank you, Julie.
Orange Business.